Is the fairy wand? Yes, and it's a 3D pin too. First plug the pin into the 5-way through a charger and waiting for heating up. Then insert the filament, press the button and start the fan. To speed it up, just press the speed button. And we can stop the extrusion anytime we want. To remove the filament, just click the button for 2 times. Draw and create technique 3D artwork now. Turn off the pin and the rest of filament will be automatically removed from the back. It will also automatically shut down after 2 minutes of standby.